Hi, in this video we're going to talk about the psoas muscle. It is a muscle that runs from the front of the lumbar spine through the abdomen until it attaches in the front of the hip. The psoas muscle exists on both sides. In this model you see it on the right side of this vertebrae. It will join up with a muscle called the iliacus to form the iliopsoas tendon. Because we do so much sitting and flexion of the hip activities, thinking bike riding, running, we don't do as much hip extension, and in turn the psoas muscle can become weak and tight. So I'm going to demonstrate how I recommend people stretch the psoas muscle. The muscle itself will do a little bit of flexion of the lumbar spine up here, and here it will do flexion of the hip. So we want to make sure we get this hip behind us into extension to get a nice stretch through all of that. On one side, it will also bring you over to that side when it contracts. So when we stretch it, we are also going to bend the other way and rotate that spine. So to do this stretch, you're going to get down on the knee of the leg you're stretching. You step forward with your other foot. Keep your upper body straight and just hinge forward with your knees till this back leg goes into a stretch position. Now, because of the spine attachment, I also recommend we do a slight posterior pelvic tilt. You'll feel that immediately in the front of the hip, get more stretch. Then we can do a slight bend away from the side we're stretching, and you can even add a little bit of a rotation to that side as well. You should feel that sort of right in the front of the pelvis, top of the leg, and aim for anywhere between 30 seconds to 2 minutes ideally to get a good response of a stretch in the psoas.